YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or normal unboxing, but if it's a Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below, and if it's a website, their website link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside. Yep, Amazon time. Alright, so my affiliate link will be down below. Check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. I can show a little bit of this now, and the other part later on tonight when it gets darker out. This is coming from Biling. Solar Spotlight Outdoor 2-pack. Waterproof, solar powered, heat resistance, durable design. So this is what it looks like. 2 spotlights, 4 spikes, 4 screws, 4 wall plugs, 1 manual. Alrighty. There we go. Got the spikes. All that there. Some on this side. There we go. Manual. Here we go. Put you right there. Now let's take a look at that away. There we go. Let's stick this onto probably this part. Screws to mount. Same with these. And bada boom. So you get those two and those 2 stakes. And now let's take a look. Here we go. Ooh. Nice solar panel right here. Side's looking good. Gotta drop it. Turn it. There we go. And you can adjust wherever you want to have it, in case you have it mounted on the wall or on your garage door, or not garage door, but your garage, shed, pretty much anywhere that needs extra lighting. I'm going to stick this on the ground, so I'm going to keep it like this. And then I'm not going to do no mounting. I got a lot of solars already out this side, so keep it on the ground. So I'm going to keep it like this. Then you just take this. And bada boom. Power button right here. It's not going to show right now because it's still too light out. So we have to either go downstairs. Oh, no we don't. Hey, it's pretty bright still for daylight. And same with the other one. So this has definitely helped, keep the predators out, keep some animals out that don't want them around. You can take a look at the LEDs. Really nice. Here's the bottom. Like I said, just twist a few times to get it loose. Gotta get it loose. And unhinge. There we go. And button side. See if you hit it. Oh. Those are them. Let's see what else it does. Make sure it's in direct sunlight when you install it, because you know it's gonna be hard for the sun to charge the solar if it's not in the sunlight. Yeah, pretty much I covered everything on that one. Alright, yeah, we got it. So pretty much that's what it looks like. But I'll definitely have a outdoor one in a few hours at the end of this video. So if you guys want to stay tuned, because this will be up later on tonight. Not right now though, so. But definitely check them out, guys. The links will be down below. See you in the next part right about now. Alright, YouTubers, I got them set up. One's right there. Really bright too. And here's the other one. You guys see it right there. And so there you go. Definitely check them out. Amazon link will be down below. Get one of these and a little cost. There we go. Pretty bright. And ooh, spider webs. So there you go. So really cool. Super bright. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.